Hello guys, today we're presenting some dialogues for A1 level. Are you ready? Let's go! Dialogue 1. Having things done.
Excuse me, I wonder if you can help me.
Sure, what is it?
I want to have my hair cut, but I can't find a barbershop.
I know where one is. Come on, I'll show you. Dialogue 2. Mailing letters.
Do you mind if we stop by the post office? I have to mail these letters and I don't have any stamps.
Oh, I have some. We don't need to go all the way to the post office.
That would save time. Can you let me have 2 airmail stamps and 1 regular one?
Here you are. Are you sure that's enough?
Yes, that's fine. Now all we have to do is find a mailbox.
Dialogue 3. Animals.
That's a beautiful cat. I wonder who it belongs to.
It belongs to the Browns. They live across the street from us. They have 3 cats, 2 dogs, and a canary.
They certainly must like pets. But how do all those animals get along with each other?
Don't ask me. Ask the Browns. Dialogue 4. Shopping.
Can I help you?
Yeah, I'm looking for a pair of white gloves. I think I wear size 6.
The white gloves are on this counter. Let's see. Here's a size 6. These are very nice. And they're washable too.
Oh, I'll try them on. They seem to fit. How much are they?
$5.
All right, I'll take them.
That'll be $5.20 with the tax.
Here you are. Goodbye. Dialogue 5. Transportation.
Shall we take a taxi or a bus to the meeting?
We'd better take a bus. It's almost impossible to find a taxi during rush hour.
Isn't that a bus stop over there?
Yeah. Oh, there's a bus now. We'll have to run to catch it.
Okay. Oh no, we just missed it.
Never mind. There'll be another one in 10 minutes. Dialogue 6. Comparing.
I think this material is much prettier than that, don't you?
Well, I don't know. I like them both. Why do you like that one better?
Well, the design is more interesting and the colors are brighter. And it's not as expensive either.
Oh, I see what you mean. And besides, these colors are more becoming to you.
Do you really think so? I'll buy it then.
Good for you. Congratulations. Alright, so guys, this was the end of our video. If you like the video, share it with your friends to practice. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Love you. Bye.